Y'all, these headbands are on another level. Do y'all see this? Really, as you can see, it took me what, all of 3 minutes to put this on. In the beginning of this video, I did show you how I went ahead, and if you see me looking down, child, I'm looking in the mirror because I can't get over this, okay? I love this. But as you can see in the beginning of this video, I've already shown you what I did to get my hair to look this defined, to get my hair like it's my hair, to get this wig defined, and to get the curls out of that uniform curl pattern that you usually get inside of the package. Hair is from HergivenHair. Y'all know I love HergivenHair. I've been wearing HergivenHair extensions for a very long time, and it's just one of my go-to companies that I would go to. Number one go-to company I would go to when it comes to natural textured extensions. They're coming out with all of these cute styles to wear wigs without the actual closure and frontal piece. And y'all, when I tell you, I am loving this headband wig, okay? The fact that I can literally just define the curls, put this on, and go is on another level. This is tops the cake when it comes to a beginner's friendly wig. You don't have to worry about literally anything. All you have to do is make sure that you wash and condition the hair when you get it. To be honest, I didn't have to wash and condition this hair because it did not have a bad smell, but I wanted to go ahead and do that just to get the curls in formation and to break the curls down, so I didn't have to use my spray bottle to keep spraying the hair down. So I went ahead and just ran some water through the hair and I conditioned it. Then after that, I went ahead with 3 products and I put those products inside of the hair. Now with the Shea Moisture Enhancing Smoothie, I didn't use a lot because you don't really need it. To me, I just think it helps the curls pop. And because I already use it on my natural hair, I just feel like when I have these type of extensions, I like to use the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So I use that. Then I use my good old faithful Lottie Body Foaming Mousse. If you do not have this styling mousse, you need it, sis. If you wear curly hair, this is a go-to for curly hair. Then for extra hold, I went ahead with some alcohol-free mousse. I believe this mousse can be found anywhere because I actually got it from Walmart. So, and I know for a fact that they will have it in your local beauty supply store. And to be honest, the Lottie Body is perfect by itself, but with the other mousse, it adds on that extra hold. And as y'all can see, this ombre color, how juicy the curls look. I didn't do anything else to this hair besides what I showed you in the beginning of this video, and it only took me 10 minutes to do that. And then I threw this on. I made sure I gelled my natural hair down with some Eco Styler gel, and I let that set so that I didn't have to worry about, you know, molding my hair down before putting the wig on. You guys, these headband wigs are literally everything. I'm telling you right now, this is one of the wigs you want to have in your closet, whether you're going out on a date, whether you're going to the gym, whether you're just going out to run errands, or just want a wig to just have. This is one of the ones that you want to have in your closet as a go-to. And right now on HergivenHair website, they do have multiple colors. So this is going to be the first one that I'm trying, and it has this ombre 33, I want to say 3330 color to it. And then I love the way it starts with the 1B and it comes all the way down, so I don't have to worry about, you know, it not looking as natural because my hair of course is black. So of course I'm going to be showing you exactly what this wig looks like when you add on the additional headbands. Of course it comes with the black one, which is pretty good if you ask me. If you wanted to just wear it out just like this, you could, but I'm gonna jazz it up and show y'all what the rest of the headbands look like. And also I do want to point out that all of the headband pieces that I am going to be showing you are going to be from HergivenHair. So you can get the scarf as well as these headbands from HergivenHair. You don't really have to worry about it. It's a one-stop shop, sis. And either way, the wig by itself is literally everything. Y'all, this is it, okay? This is it. Go get you one. I'm putting the link down in the description box. Go get it.